it's got virtues.
Oh wow, a lot of virtues.
A lot of virtues. On February 24th, we received 3 pallets of model kits. When we glance at the third pallet, we realize something isn't quite right. This third pallet appears to be out of shape and lost a fight to Mike Tyson. I believe the pallet fell off the truck, but they opted to ship it anyhow. The kits in this pallet are unusable and damaged beyond anything I've seen from a damaged shipment, as I have received damaged boxes in the past. This one jumps into first place and takes that trophy. Congratulations to the damaged pallet for lowering my 3-pallet tower to a 2-pallet shipment tower. We're working with our sales rep on a solution regarding the damage.
We're doing. Oh, there's a picture. This is damaged tree. How's that one? Oh god. Chewed on, spit out. Alright. Snatched it out. Which ones? Those are open. What are they gonna do with this? Oh, here's our other Penelope. Oh, yeah. They should be strapped, but trashed.
Yeah, they should be trashed.
For now, this big pile of kits will get reboxed and put aside. Once we hear back from our supplier, we'll go with whatever option they think is best. Until then, we will carry on with our day. And right now, I feel like building a tower, not with these kits, but with the better kits, to get into a better mood. So let's build a big, hefty shipment tower. Welcome to Gundam Pro's 16th shipment tower of the year. In this tower we have 20 different kits ranging from all sizes. Let's start with Master Grades. We have Master Grade Death Scythe Hell, Master Grade 00 Razor, and finally got Master Grade Dynamis back. From Digimon we received Dukemon, Gallantmon. For real grades, we received Wing Gundam and RX-93 New Gundam. From Universal Century, we received Goof Custom, LM312V04 Victory Gundam, and Zaku 1 Sniper Type Yonem Kirk's version. If you're looking for a unique base, this customized scene base, trust base version came in. From Kamen Rider, we've got the Tri-Chaser 2000. In the Dinosaur family, we received the Triceratops Limax Skeleton model kit. In the Full Mechanics line, Barbados Lupus is back. From 86, we received Juggernaut Shin Use version. We received one entry grade. It's the Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan Son Goku. In the Figurized Standard Amplified, we bring back Batman. And finally, in the Pokemon family, we have Eevee, Mewtwo, and Piplup.